How do I fix Pandora not playing music on my device?
Welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today, we're going to help you fix the problem of Pandora not playing music on your device. This common issue can occur for various reasons, and we're going to guide you through some simple steps to try and solve it.
Check your internet connection.
First and foremost, check your internet connection. Pandora requires a stable internet connection to function properly. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi or vice versa.
Restart your device.
Sometimes, the simplest solution works wonders. Try restarting your device. This can help to clear any temporary issues causing Pandora to malfunction.
Update the Pandora app.
It's crucial to keep your apps updated, as newer versions often contain bug fixes. Go to your device's app store and check if there's an update available for Pandora. If there is, install it.
Clear app data and cache.
If the problem persists, clearing the Pandora app's data and cache might help. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Remember, this process may differ slightly depending on your device. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Pandora, Storage, Clear Cache, and then Clear Data. For iOS, unfortunately, iOS does not have a direct method to clear cache or data for specific apps. You may need to uninstall and reinstall the app.
Reinstall the Pandora app.
If none of the above methods work, it may be time to reinstall the Pandora app. Uninstall the app from your device, then go to your device's app store, download and install the Pandora app again. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your Pandora playback issues. Remember, if the problem persists, it might be worth contacting Pandora's customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy listening.